Here is a question. Where is all your data right now? Scattered across different cloud services? Sitting on external drives? What if I told you there is a better way to take control of your digital life? This is the UGREEN DH2300. It might just be the perfect NAS for your home lab. Let's start with unboxing. UGREEN has really stepped up their packaging game here. Inside the box you'll get the DH2300 unit itself, a power adapter, Ethernet cable and a quick start guide. First impressions, this thing feels solid, the aluminium chassis has a nice weight to it without being too heavy, and the build quality is immediately apparent. UGREEN have also kindly sent me two 4TB drives. I'm going to set these up in a mirrored configuration. The front panel is clean and minimalistic. You've got the power button, status LEDs and a USB port for quick file transfers. Around the back we've got the gigabit Ethernet port, two USB 3 ports, HDMI output and the power input. Let's talk specs. The DH2300 is powered by the Rockchip RK3576. It has 8 cores and 4 gigs of DDR4 RAM. And here's what I love, it supports up to 30TB for each drive, giving you a maximum of 60TB of storage. It runs UGE, which is UGREEN's custom operating system built on Linux. We'll dive into that in a moment. For this review, UGREEN has sent me two 4TB NAS rated hard drives. Always use NAS specific drives folks, these are designed for 24/7 operation and will last much longer than regular desktop drives. Installation is brilliantly simple, just slide them out, pop in your drives and slide them back in. That click when it locks in, so satisfying. Now we need to connect the power, plug in the Ethernet to our network and we're ready for the setup process. Setup happens through your web browser, you navigate to the IP address assigned to your NAS, or you can just go to find.ugnas.com and you'll find your NAS drive. UGE walks you through the configuration wizard and you'll create your account and configure your storage pool. I've chosen a RAID 1 configuration, which means if one of the drives dies, I've still got all my data available. You can view the temperature, the size of the drives and the configuration in the storage control panel. Once you're in, UGE is surprisingly intuitive. The interface is clean, modern and doesn't feel overwhelming like enterprise NAS systems. You've got your dashboard showing you the system health, the storage usage, network activity, everything right where you need it to be. UGE has an app ecosystem and you can install things like a media streaming service, file sync applications, backup tools and even some productivity apps. It's essentially a small server you can customize to your needs. For me, my main use case for this will be a backup to my main UGREEN NAS. So pros and cons. The build quality is excellent, all metal construction feels really premium, the setup is genuinely easy and if you've never touched a NAS before, you'll find UGE is very intuitive without being dumbed down. Performance is solid for a 2-bay NAS at this price point, and the Rockchip processor gives you plenty of power, you'll not find that that's a problem. The fan and the drives are totally silent as well. Now cons wise, it is limited to gigabit Ethernet. At this price point I'd love to see a 2.5 gigabit port, and the app ecosystem is a little bit limited compared to its larger siblings. And while 4 gigs of RAM is good, power users might want more and this isn't expandable on this particular model. However, at this price point I would say this is an absolute solid buy. However, if you're looking for 2.5 gig or 10 gig networking, or if you want a 4-bay drive or larger system, then this probably isn't a right fit. But for most users and small home lab setups, then this is the sweet spot of capability, ease of use and value. I hope you enjoyed this short video. I shall see you all next time. Bye for now.